It probably has not so much to do with the density as from the management. Our practice here, the healthcare, seems to have become too individualized. It probably is more free than what you see in America also. Whereas there they look at it as a society, nobody should go unattended. Also, one should keep two different aspects, whether health, you want to make it as a state responsibility to be provided to everyone in the best possible manner under the available circumstances, or do you just want to leave it loose and create the same dichotomy as we have in the economics, the poor and the rich, and the gap gets wider and wider. Now let me first clarify that different degrees exist in different countries. In our country, we have three kinds of degrees under the modern system of medicine. One is called the MBBS, which is a basic doctor. Then comes the specialist, who is either the MD or MS. Depending on if he is practicing surgery, he is called MS. If he is practicing non-surgical things, he is called MD. So you have a MD or a MS in pediatrics, child health. You have a MD or MS in gynecology, the ladies' problems, obstetrics and gynecology. One has a MD or MS in dermatology, the place where our doctor went, or in orthopedics. And one has a MD or MS in internal medicine or in surgery, which means all these small specialities, if you keep them out, everything else comes under surgery, the MS, or MD, what we call internal medicine, internal implying internal parts of the body. If you take this specialization further up, in medicine you can cut out heart as cardiology, nerve as neurology, stomach as gastroenterology, that would be DM. And now there is a move which MCI has approved for some years. Under gastroenterology, you can cut out liver separately and call it hepatology. So we have different specialities at different levels. And the talk of today, I might be taking a little more time. Yeah. The talk of today is what is best for the individual and for the patient, for the nation. Let me also give you one more figure. In our country, we have, as of today, about 400 medical colleges. 398 if you look up the website, but it is about 400. One or two would be getting the approval. And we churn out 50,000, half a lakh doctors, modern medicine doctors every year. There are some who join us from the other countries. Eastern European countries used to be there, China is there, US is there, they could come from anywhere. Some of them move out also. So we have 400 medical colleges, 50,000 doctors. How many should go into the MD is the question. As of today, out of 50,000, 30,000 are moving into the specialty area. And from those 30,000, they move into the super specialty area. And what the figure that I have given you actually has grown 1.5 times during the past 2 to 3 years. So we used to have 35,000 doctors.